Would you like to learn how to best ask for tech career advice so you can get the best job and get to your goals as fast as possible? If so, this video is for you. Get our free ebook now and pass the AWS Solutions Architect Associate and Professional exams. Our free content has helped thousands get certified, and it will help you too. Hi, my name is Michael Gibbs, and I am the founder and CEO of GoCloud Careers, and we're an organization that's dedicated towards building high-performance cloud computing careers. Personally, I've been working in technology for over 25 years, and for more than 2 decades, I've been helping people get their first tech job or get promoted in tech, and I want to help you build your best technology. So in today's video, we will discuss how to ask for tech career advice. Now, there's 2 major components that we're going to talk about in this discussion, and it's all about knowing how to get career advice, accurate advice, the kind that will build your career. See, the right advice will fast track your career and make it take off like a rocket ship, but the wrong advice will keep you from reaching your goal. So getting the right tech advice will help you navigate the different tech careers and various tech career paths. The first part of asking for tech career advice is as follows: knowing who you should ask for tech career guidance. And here's the reason. We find many people get this wrong. In fact, after coaching thousands of individuals, what we find is that most people try to get their tech career advice from their friends and study partners. Now, unfortunately, this is a massive problem, and here's the reason why. In most cases, the friends that are study partners are not experts on the career that someone desires. It's someone that's hoping to get that job. And when you're hoping to get that job and you're studying to get a job, you don't know what's really involved in that job. So it's kind of like the painting parable of the blind, where you have a blind person and somebody's holding on to it who's following that blind person, who somebody else is following that blind person. We don't want to ask people that are not experts in the position because they won't know. And we see this every single day. We have people advising each other on what they should learn, but neither one of them knows. They all learn the wrong things, and here's a problem. I'll give you an example. We coach a lot of cloud architects. We coach a lot of technology professionals, but we really specialize in architecture positions, and we coach a lot of cloud architects, but we also coach a lot of wonderful technology careers. The cloud architect position itself is a hybrid position. It's half executive and half technical. It's a customer-facing role. And those of us in this role, here's what we do. We design systems, we present systems to the customer, we sell systems to the customer, we manage large teams of engineers doing proof of concepts, we lead teams, we respond to requests for information, requests for proposals, requests for queries, and we entertain clients. That's what we do. Here's what we don't do as cloud architects. We don't code, we don't configure, we don't automate or maintain anything or do anything that's hands-on. Do you know what most people who want to be a cloud architect study? Coding, configuring, maintaining, which is another career called SysOps, and automation, which is another career called DevOps. Then the person with all of the wrong skills goes on an interview. Obviously, they fail the interview, but what happens is as soon as they fail the interview, they say, maybe I need to learn more coding. Now they're doing more training in someone else's career. Now, training someone else's career doesn't make you good at your career. For example, if you want to be an airplane pilot, it serves you no purpose to go to law school. And if you want to be an accountant, don't go to medical school. And that's what happens is people, when they don't know, they start studying the wrong career. Instead, let's pretend this person desires to be a cloud architect. The person should ask a working cloud architect, but not just any working cloud architect. The person should ask for a senior cloud architect, a distinguished cloud architect, a principal cloud architect, or a director of cloud architects that hires principal and senior cloud architects. Here's why. These people are already experts in the role. They've already made it to the top. This person is a wealth of information on how to get there correctly. This person, the senior person, the distinguished person, the director that hires them, this person can get you to the goals. This person is an expert on being a cloud architect, what cloud architects do, and cloud architect training and cloud architect career planning. Now, see, there are many different tech careers. All wonderful careers, so many different tech career paths. So when you are looking for the best tech career advice, ask someone who is successful in your desired role. This person can help you with your tech career planning and keep you informed of your tech career option. Now, the next part about your tech career is being specific about what career you want. For example, if someone says, they went a cloud career. Unfortunately, that doesn't mean anything. Say, we have cloud architects versus cloud engineers. We have big data architects, we have cloud security architects, cloud security engineers, cloud network architects, cloud network engineers, cloud IAM architects, cloud database administrators, cloud software developers, cloud DevOps engineers, and I can go on and on and on. So if someone says, hey, I would like to work on the cloud, I want a cloud career, well, what career would you like? Because if you ask the wrong question, you're going to get the wrong answer. So I could keep going on various tech careers, but the point is everyone is different and they each need a different role. So let's go back to the cloud architect versus a cloud engineer for the following reason. It's a good example. A cloud architect designs systems. So when you train a cloud architect to get them hired, here's what you need to teach them. Network and data center expertise, end-to-end system design, high levels of business acumen, sales skills, leadership skills, presentation skills, executive writing skills, executive presence, etc. That's what a cloud architect needs. Now let's talk about what a cloud engineer needs. Hands-on configuration expertise with the management console and CLI. A cloud engineer definitely needs to know how to code where a cloud architect doesn't, and the cloud engineer will especially need to know Python. A cloud engineer will need heavy Linux knowledge. A cloud engineer will need knowledge of Terraform for infrastructure as code deployments. A cloud engineer will have to have strong knowledge in writing PowerShell and Bash shell scripts. And a cloud engineer will need lots of great hands-on troubleshooting skills. So wait, in one case we've got nothing hands-on, in another case it's all hands-on. That's the major difference when we look at a cloud architect versus a cloud engineer. They're so different. So the point is, we have to be very specific. And why does it matter so much? Well, if you train to be a cloud engineer, you won't be hireable as a cloud architect. And if you train to be a cloud architect, you won't be hireable as a cloud engineer, as you'll have the wrong skills. You'll have a skills mismatch. So how do you ask for the best tech career advice? Ask an expert, someone in the role you desire, but they must be in a very senior position because they have already made it and they can advise you on how to make it. Then find the career you desire. Be very, very, very specific in your career goals. I would like to be this. How could you guide me to get there? But be very specific. Ask open-ended questions and listen. Stop talking and listen. You know, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. We should listen at least twice as much as we speak. So ask open-ended questions and start writing down the information. And then take notes. And with those notes and that information, build yourself a career development plan. Share that plan with a coach and see if they like it. Make sure you got the information quickly. Execute on that career development plan. And keep going until you get the job of your dreams. And that's how you get the tech job of your dreams. You have to know that job and all the things that you need to master to be great at that job. So ask someone that's an expert in that career. Hope you've enjoyed this video on how to ask for tech career advice, because we want to make sure you have the best tech careers. This is Michael Gibbs. I'm the founder and CEO of Go Cloud Careers, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care. See you soon.
It was so nice having you join us for this video today. Let me tell you about some free services we do for the cloud community. We have a free How to Get Your First Cloud Architect Job webinar, where we tell you all the things you need to do and know to get your first cloud architect job. In addition to that, we actually have a free question and answer session live on YouTube, where you can come and ask us any questions you want about building your career related to cloud computing or networking, and we'll answer them in real time for you because we want to get you to your goals. Several more times per week, we have guests from industry experts that I've known for decades that are movers and shakers that have changed the world, that can give you information so you can build the best career. I invite them periodically. They are on my show. If there's a chance to do some free training on our channel, we'll do it live because we want you to all to have the best skills for the best career. So please subscribe and hit the bell. I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to assisting you in your technology career. Thank you so much. This is Michael Gibbs from Go Cloud Architects.